In this video, we follow a man who, in search of peace, has traveled one of the most rugged mountain paths. A dangerous path full of wild animals. But what makes his journey special is his faithful companion who never leaves him alone. They need to find shelter for the night. Let's see how these two spend the night. The climber has finally found a small shelter under the rocks. Now it's time to make it safe and habitable. Every branch he gathers, every leaf or stone he moves is important for survival. His decisions are very important. Choosing the best place, insulating against the cold and preparing a place to sleep. His dog is also by his side and is always attentive to the environment. Of course, the presence of animals and the dangers of the natural environment are an integral part of survival. It started to rain, the weather got colder. There is a high probability of finding wild and hungry animals. The shelter is almost ready, but finding dry firewood is not an easy task. Firewood to make a fire and warm up the tiny spot in the heart of the mountain. In the heart of the rain, the attempt to light a fire becomes a moment of real life, where every decision determines warmth and comfort or cold and danger. After preparing the shelter and lighting the fire, it's time to take care of the faithful companion. The hiker feeds his dog, and in his eyes you can see his deep trust and companionship. A simple moment, but full of peace and the bond between man and animal. A terrifying but safe night passed. The rain has stopped and the trees smell of fresh rain. The ground is wet and fresh and nature has taken a breath again. The climber prepares a simple but nutritious breakfast. A small meal that provides the energy needed to continue the day and new challenges. A moment of stillness and peace after the night's effort. Before facing the path ahead.